Not the best, right?
A bit Elton John.
A bit Elton John? Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to do a luxury shopping vlog and we're gonna go out. It's a beautiful day, the sun is shining. I can't wait to actually go out. It is finally summer. But before we do that, we actually got a package from idyl because this video is kindly sponsored by idyl, and if you haven't heard anything, I mean, you would have to live under a rock basically. I mean, anybody from, you know, Eva Longoria to Tamara, all the fashion icons are basically wearing jewelry from idyl. I'm gonna tell you a little bit more about this in a second. Of course, we're gonna see what I got. But yeah, they kindly sponsored this video. So big shout out to idyl. Thank you so much. Okay, are we ready for this? Here is the box, idyl, and on the side it says get ready to sparkle. Are we ready? Ta 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 ta! Ready to join the diamond revolution? Yes. So for anybody who doesn't know, idyl sells lab-grown diamonds. How lovely is that? They're welcoming me to the idyl family. Idyl is revolutionizing fine diamond jewelry with their lab-grown diamonds, which are grown and not mined. Therefore, they use up less of the earth's energy to make and create no damage, making them a kinder alternative. But let's be very clear here, lab-grown diamonds are neither fake nor artificial. By sight and science, there's literally no difference between them. All of their products are also made out of 14 karat solid gold, which won't oxidize nor discolor and can withstand everyday wear. So, you know, you can just wear that jewelry when you take a shower. You can, you know, wear it when you go on your summer holiday and you go down to the beach. Nothing is happening, so you don't need to worry about this. Also, all of their handmade pieces of jewelry undergo an in-house quality control to ensure the best possible brilliance, and they guarantee durability for years to come. All of their pieces are also very accessible. They're fairly priced without any markups, and yeah, it's, you know, you get amazing quality at a really good price point. I chose the two big diamond studs, which are basically the base of your jewelry, and then you can choose different add-ons. And these ones that I chose for the earrings, they are called the Coco add-on. They even gifted me another little add-on. I didn't know about this one. For the necklace, guys, I chose the 14 karat yellow gold solid chain and the Lena add-on. Here we are, guys, and I don't know about you, but I think it is stunning. So this, like I said, is the 14 karat gold chain with the Lena add-on, and it is so beautiful. And this is just the big diamond ear stud on its own. Let me know. I think to the naked eye, guys, obviously, you know, there's absolutely no difference between lab-grown diamonds and real diamonds. Et voila, the stud earrings with the add-ons. Like I said, this is the Coco add-on. It has little diamonds all through the earring, and oh guys, that is so beautiful. Oh, I love it. And then imagine, like, once you put your hair back or you put your hair up, you know, it really is beautiful. Oh guys, if you're ready for some asymmetrical pieces as well, et voila. So on the side we have this beautiful little add-on that's more like a half moon shape, and then here we have the beautiful dangly bit. And so I got the other earring here, and what I mean is, like, you could just attach that to your necklace as well, and, you know, you basically have endless options. And guys, I got 2 pairs of new shoes, and I just want to say, I know it's summer, but these Ugg boots, oh, I just love them and they feel so good. But I also got these Kurt Geiger shoes, and I'm gonna wear them now with my beautiful beige dress. So this is my favorite combination, I would say. I'm ready to go. So I'm gonna wear my Chanel 22 because, guys, you know, I just wear her now. I don't worry anymore. I just enjoy the bag. I'm not left with any other options anyway. Welcome to Westfield White City today, guys. We have actually never been here before. I think I never filmed here before. they have Gucci, Louis Vuitton, Prada, lots of other shops that I'm probably forgetting right now. And yeah, we're just gonna see what we find here, right?
Food first.
Food first. If you find anything on the idyl website, definitely use my link in the description box below, and you know, let me know what you bought. Let's start the day. Cheers. Your first iced caramel macchiato?
Sweet delight.
It's sweet. How about cake or ice cream for lunch?
No more sugar.
No more sugar? I would say let's go Louis Vuitton first. I hope there's not a queue. And then we have Gucci over there. I think they're currently renovating. That's why they have this kind of pop-up shop. We have Tiffany & Co. We have Prada, and I think Versace and Jimmy Choo are down there as well. Let's have a quick look at what's on display. Do we like these? I think they are nice. However, I think it's very modern bags that might look dated very soon, but let me know. A tiny little on the go, very much too small for my mom. But let's see, maybe they have the bigger ones as well. Ooh, a full leather Speedy 25. Oh, this one, have we seen this before? I think only in black, never in this kind of like etoupe leather. Oh, here, this is the on the go in the medium size, and some pieces from the men's collection. So this is like a soft trunk, I think. Yeah, it's not too bad. And then here, guys, we have like a little backpack for men and a little messenger bag. Oh, and look at this beautiful trunk with the flowers. That is the perfect home decor. It's a 45-minute wait list, unfortunately, but I really want to have a look at the capucines. Look what I just spotted. Is this not gorgeous? I think, let me try and focus. I think that is mother of pearl, the LV, and it's a gorgeous minty color, right? And there we have a classic black and a gallet color, and I think I want the mini one with the python handle in the gallet color, in this basically. I think that would be ideal. This, guys, and it is from 1878, no girl.
I really like these trucks. There's an older one. There's
Yeah.
one over the other side as well.
This is your style, huh?
Yeah.
Would
it's
we
a bit
use
more-
this as a coffee table? This is a proper travel case, isn't it?
I love them.
Yeah. From what date? 1928. Okay, the other one was actually older.
Yeah.
But it's fascinating. Guys, look at this. This is real fashion history. This is Louis Vuitton history. When do we get to see those? Oh, and can you see that here? It even has the LVs here. I've never seen one this up and close, right? Oh yeah, even here the details, LV signs. Wow, guys. 1928. That's how people traveled in the past, huh? Yeah. It's incredible. Really reminds me of the LV version of the little Bvlgari bag that I just got, right?
Yeah, but
just that the Bvlgari is a little bit more elaborate.
Yeah, your Bvlgari one's a little
With the
nicer. with
golden
snow.
handle, yeah. I don't know if you have seen the vlog with my parents. My mom is hunting an LV on the go, and she wanted this one. However, it looks huge on her. The medium size is not holding as much, obviously, if you want to use it for travel. This plastic is not for sporty, sweaty days, huh? I said to my mom that would be a good alternative, right? If the on-the-go is like the big one is too heavy and too big on the small one, or the medium is too small. This is like a light bag. It holds a lot. I think she should really try this one. I had no idea that Louis Vuitton has espadrilles as well. I mean, obviously Chanel is famous for them. Huh. What do you think about these cushion bags? Yeah, they're called coussin. Do you like them? No, right?
Yeah.
Okay, he has no words. And guys, really sorry, I don't know why my phone is like stuttering today.
It's too hot.
That's not too bad. I'm not a fan of these soft eye masks, are you? I'm not the biggest fan of these perforated canvas pieces. Is this gonna crack faster, I wonder? You know, if you have so many holes in the canvas, and canvas over time is obviously prone to cracking. I wonder. Almas are coming back in epi leather. Remember that I wanted this in like the Kenyan fawn always as a vintage piece? No, I almost wanted to buy it several times, and then somebody else always bought it off Fashion File faster than me. but it's a nice color. But nowadays, guys, can you see they actually bring them out with silver hardware? The vintage ones were gold hardware. And a Stardust bag up close and personal. So I've seen several in the pink as well, and they all look very different. I think every batch that they produce looks a tiny little bit different. Some show the effect more than others. I just asked her when exactly the flowery Speedy 25 is coming out. Do you like the flower print?
You got over LV.
No, I thought so too. She is a good companion. I like wearing her. Look what I just found. This is from the Stardust collection, guys, and wow, it's mother of pearl. I mean, they've done it in the past, but you barely ever see this. I love the mother of pearl, LV. Mini capucine. I love it. Do we like it a lot? Is this nicer than the Galet color with the python handle? You like the green as well?
I think that's nicer than I thought when you described it.
But is it nicer than the Galet color that I wanted?
Yeah,
with the
like
python. You don't like the grey Galet? Voting please. Also guys, a quick little tip. You can actually pre-order the Louis Vuitton pieces. If you're sure you want one of those pieces, to make sure that you actually get it on the 29th when the collection comes out, because we all know how quickly everything sells out all the time. You can pre-order those pieces. Somebody needs a break. Somebody needs a
I need a donut.
donut. I have a Tiffany & Co here as well, and there's the Gucci boutique that temporarily moved out of their shop because they're renovating. Yeah, let's have a look around. Silver lizard. Wow, that is a beautiful piece. Have we not seen like a golden one once? Yes, right?
Yeah.
And guys, all the new Blondie bags. We need to try that one on. That's beautiful. So tell me, it's very vintagey, right?
It's good.
I like it, guys. I've seen these in Paris, and I don't know why. I think the caramel color I really like the most. However, I actually tried in Paris to put my brush in those because I felt like they're very, very flat and slim. The brush fits in, so that's always, you know, a good thing. I love it. I like it a lot. What do we think? While we're at Gucci, of course we need to try on some sunglasses, both of us. Oh, they look good. It's a little bit like pilot aviators. Yeah. Not the best, right?
A bit Elton John.
A bit Elton John. I love Gucci sunglasses. I love mine. But the current shapes are not that flattering, are they? Okay, so these might actually be the best pick for today, I think. I love the sides, guys. I really like the sides, but are they looking good from the front? I don't know. Okay, what do we think? Schnugge? They are nice. Are they good from the front though?
Not bad.
I mean, they're pretty similar to mine, right?
That's probably why I like them.
That's why you like them. I really don't know. Do I like them? Well, hello. I like these ones too. Are they a little bit grandma style with this chain? I don't actually know if the chain comes with the sunglasses or if it's like an add-on. They're cool, right? Or are they too Elton John again? You prefer the other ones?
Where's the other one?
But they are different, right?
This one, I didn't realise these are Gucci as well. That's why
Yeah, they're Gucci, but they are the perfect cat eye. Of course, you can put the chain behind your head as well, and I feel like it looks a little bit like an elvish crown then. I like this look. Do I look like Galadriel?
I think they're a really good shape when you
Really? You actually like it?
I really like them.
I assume Gucci is gonna move in here once it's all done. That is very safari-like, right? Do we like Versace? I have only seen outlet bags before. They were not the best quality. So if you have Versace bags, let me know how they're wearing. Look at this, guys. So just dropping into Dior quickly. This is another one of the art collection pieces. So gorgeous. I love their art piece. Oh wow. Can we have a look at that one as well? A micro. That is really gorgeous. A little bit of Fendi, guys. This is an entirely new color. I have not seen this before. Actually, it looks a lot brighter in reality, unfortunately, than on screen. I don't know why my camera isn't capturing it. They have a lot of these bags in this color. It's a very bright pink reddish color. Sunglass hunt today. Nugget, what do you think? I think they're nice as well, right? I like the side again. Salvatore Ferragamo. I love my long pearl earrings, guys. You always ask me where I got them from. I got them from here. Salvatore Ferragamo. Maybe I should look into their sunglasses as well. Even from that side, it looks really good. Oh, I like them. This one caught my eye, guys, because look at how beautiful and shiny it is. It's calfskin. It's shiny calfskin. Wow, I love this. You know, I think it's a really cool, like, shoulder bag.
Oh, sorry.
No worries. Amazing. It's good, right? I like the leather. What do we think? Hey, let's quickly drop into Zara. Let's see if there's anything cool, but can you see the queues? Yeah, not gonna happen today, huh?
Nope.
I mean, I just put this on top of my other dress. So without the other dress underneath it would look better, but it's not too bad, right?
Yeah, it looks great.
It's a little bit Gucci, right? I like it. I really like this one as well. I mean, you guys know I love asymmetrical dresses. Exhibit A at Jimmy Choo is, and I just remembered I saw a really nice pair of sunglasses from Jimmy Choo on Victoria from in the Fro. So I was like, hey, let's go in and have a look. How about like sunglasses with little crystals? I think they're cool. They're too much, right? Okay everyone, so that was it for today. I need my bubble tea now. We still need to find a donut. We have been hunting one, there's none. So let me know what caught your eye today. I'm still thinking, should I get the Salvatore Ferragamo? You like them, right? The sunglasses. And I really like the caramel blondie bag. Like, I go back to it again and again. And yeah, so that was it for today, guys. It's gonna be horribly hot for the next 3 days, right? We're gonna have like 37 to 40 degrees Celsius.
Let's hide.
Yeah, let's hide. So yeah, I see you again soon, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, join our little handbag obsessed family here, because we all do have the same luxury disease. Yes, we do. And I'm gonna go away and hide in the basement now. Bye.